Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to meet you. It's month end and you know this video is all about the beauty favorites. Yeah, so let's just get started with the special one. And this one is very special to me because ever since I got it, I just couldn't stop myself and I've been using it almost every single day. It's my Westman Atelier Beauty Butter Bronzer, and as you can see, I'm losing those little hearts. It's so cute actually. It's such a beautiful bronzer. If you have got your hands into this bronzer, you know what I'm talking about. It is buttery soft, the quality is top notch, and whenever I apply it, I just don't have to work with it because it just meshes into the skin. Automatically, I just feel that sun-kissed effect. Just tapping with the brush and done. That's how it works for me. So every single day, be it any time, and even if it is not a very special occasion for me, I would love to go for this one every single time. It's a luxe one, it's a luxury feeling, and every time I use it, I just feel that it's just that beautiful, natural, sun-kissed look, and without giving me any hard time. My shade is chocolate and it's just a perfect shade match for me. It just becomes one with the skin, and today I'm wearing it in a very freestyle way. I just love the whole vibe of this bronzer. It just makes the job very easy. Don't have to do a lot with it. I can use it with my blush brush or my double-sided bronzer brush, just a little bit of it. And even if I'm wearing it, it is so natural that even if I'm wearing it, I can go over it and still I can feel that it is adding back that healthy shine and just that healthy, beautiful, sun-kissed look. The shade is perfect, just on point for me, and the texture is super soft, very buttery. Like the name says, it is butter bronzer. Actually, it is butter bronzer, and your skin will thank you for that. Just love to apply it. I mean, I'm very generous with it. Every time I start applying it, I just feel like applying more because I will not feel that it's too much. Just is perfect. Even if I'm going heavy-handedly, even if I'm going a lot more than I need, I just love this feeling of it. Some products are like that. You just can't stop using them. And that's when I think I feel that, yeah, this is a must for me. And I would love to keep it in my makeup collection throughout. And soon it is going to be a staple one. So love it, absolutely love it. So that's why I am opening this video with this product, because this is my #1 product of the month. Very happy with the purchase and very glad that I added it. The next product that I'm going to talk about is my last month's purchase, but it was the last day purchase, if that rings the bell. Kosas brow product. And this is my first time that I'm using a twisted up kind of pencil. So I thought that it would last for at least 2 months if I'm not expecting too much from it. But it lasted for a month and I'm already missing it. It's a very nice and soft pencil. Does not give any scratchy effect there. I don't have to play a tug of war with it. It just goes on smoothly, and that's what I love when I'm using a brow pencil, because most of the time I use a shadow, and I love using shadows for my brow makeup because that gives me a very natural brows, and also I feel that I can control it very well. So I like pencils that are very soft but not too soft that will just give me a clumpy effect there, or too hard that will just break. So this is the perfect combo of, you know, softness and strictness. That's what I said when I actually posted my first video on this. So cool packaging, fun looking packaging, and impactful. Definitely check out. And I just wanted to know from all of you, did you try this and did it last for you more than it lasted for me? Because I have been using it for 30 days or so, and now I'm all out and I really am missing it. So that's something that is a cue actually. When I'm starting to miss something, that means I just am so much into it, and I just love that product that much because of its ease. Because every single morning it's my grab and go kind of pencil, don't have to think too much about it. And when I use the brow powder, I always use that is my makeup routine. I use it on top of this. That way I save time there. So that's why it is really a beautiful product. And I want to try more from the brand. Of course, this one is Clean Beauty. This one is also clean at Sephora. Nice one. The third product, Glowish. You already saw a couple of videos on that. And this is really a very beautiful seasonal kind of foundation for me. It is a skin tint, and because I like that natural dewy luminous finish on my skin, I can totally rely on this. And two factors that are very amazing. Of course, it gives a very beautiful even out skin, dewy finish, that's always there. But apart from that, sweat proof, waterproof, I mean, that's really something for summer. Especially on the beach days. When recently I went for a beach day and I used this one. Of course, I played in the water and all the water came on my face, but still I was not thinking too much about the foundation dripping, or it just you know, just settles there and settles in a nice way. It feels like a second skin. So of course, with the great ingredients, it is a very beautiful product to try. And if your skin loves it, definitely you would have to test it out on your skin, because I have normal skin type and my skin loves it. So I'm enjoying this product and I'm going to enjoy it throughout the summer. Whenever that kind of need, I mean, I just want something to even out my skin tone, and of course I want a little bit of glow, added glow. So I also use it on my arms. I just love it. And another product that comes in that category, my Laura Mercier Remember Caviar Stick. That is a recent one and I was using for the first time, so I did not know what to expect from this stick. Of course, people love it, but this was my first time, so I just wanted my own opinion on that. This is the Rose Glow collection and I chose the shade Kiss from a Rose, and this is a very beautiful pinky mauvey kind of shade. I already have the swatch. You know, I was testing out the products and in the morning I put this on here in the morning, and after that I just did a lot of activities like lunch and all, wash my hands several times, but it's still there. So unless and until you are in a mood to take it off with your makeup remover, it is not going to go away anywhere. And that is something I really love about it. Without being sticky, without being too crunchy on the lid, it just becomes one with the lid and gives a very nice silky luminous kind of feel there. Today I'm wearing something different, my friends. That is going to be in my upcoming video, but this one, it just won my heart instantly. I am so much into this stick. It's again my grab and go category product, and all the products that I'm showing here, I think they are in my summer grab and go category as well. So totally trusted ones, and of course I'm enjoying these a lot. And now some rosiness on the cheek. You know, this month's favorite blush, of course, coming from Pat McGrath. And yeah, it was a total indulgence for me because I generally stick to mid-range blushes. This is my first luxe blush and I'm absolutely happy, not at all disappointed, because that's a steep price for me to pay for a blush, and I wouldn't think twice if I have to pay that much amount on a shadow palette or on a foundation or on a powder or something like that, something that is my priority. But I am so happy that I added this. I took that decision that I wanted to go for this one because it is absolutely phenomenal, stunning, top-notch quality blush. So if you want to add this piece to your makeup collection, you can check this out. Shade range is absolutely awesome, and of course the quality. I mean, if you want to go for this one, for rest of the blushes, I have got good quality blushes, but rest of the blushes I would still blend a little. But this one, I just put it on, it just gives me that winter, you know, rosy kind of feel, and that is the shade I really love. And the peachy ones, of course, yeah, but I'm very pleased with it. I'll just show you if you want to see. And that is another way to say that I just want to put on my blush one more time. I'm wearing it. That is the shine, that is the healthy shine, healthy glow I'm getting from my bronzer, Westman Atelier, and of course from Pat McGrath blush. And I am on my Pat McGrath train now, so I'm trying different products and I'm seeing which one works for me, which one doesn't. But my friends, hopefully everything works for me because I'm really very much interested in this now. And that's about my blush. Now, when it comes to eyeshadows, I just love Viseart. So once in a while, especially in summertime, I love to add Viseart palettes to my collection because I feel that they are the best kinds. And the most stunning part is the blendability. I can mix and match and create so many other shades with the same palette. That is my something, you know, you can say that it's a color palette for me where I can tap into different shades and create different shades and create different looks out of it. So always go for Viseart palettes whenever I get a chance. And I always wanted to add the warm edit because of the bronzed peach shade of this palette. This is the shade. You can already see that I have used it quite a bit and I really am loving it so much because it is going to be that shade that would always add something back to your face, be it your inner corners of the eyes, or you can use it for any kind of graphic liner, you can use it for smoky eye, you can use it for just a beautiful soft glam look, or I love editorial look, so I create that one, and I can mix and match this shade with other shades as well. And of course my mixing medium, that always comes handy. I just love to create my own liquid pigment out of the shade of the palette. No chunks at all, goes on smoothly, buttery shades, and of course I just am loving this palette so much. You are seeing that empty spot because it felt like a loose pigment to me. The shade name is Mars. I just scraped it all and I kept it in a jar. That's how I love to use that shade. It's a beautiful loose pigment shade, and if I have it right here, yeah, so that's the shade. I will just show you the swatch. I already showed you the swatch of it in my first video, but still look at that shade. I mean, just look at the combination of these two. I anyways love the mauvey pinky shades with plummy shades, and this is a very beautiful pigment. I used it quite a bit and posted a lot of pictures on Instagram. So if you are not following me there, please find me there, somaroy.chaudhary at instagram.com, and you can follow me, connect with me, and of course leave your thoughts there. So this is a very beautiful pigment. I use it like that. I can create a lot of liners and I can mix and match. I actually mixed and matched the bronze peach shade with this one because the shadows are so beautiful and they are very friendly. They just mix and blend into each other beautifully. Love it. Stunning. So it's a happy purchase for me. And another purchase that I made, because I never tried anything from the Theory Palettes collection, and it was on sale, so I thought now is the time I can try it. And reason being that I already have a lot of Viseart shadows and I can create different variations of different colors, so that's why I just skipped it initially. But now when I'm trying it, the shimmers have no fallout. That is really something. It has no fallout, and I could really easily, because initially when I start using a shimmer, I always have this habit to tap off the excess, but for this I didn't have to do at all. I was trying to, but it did not fall at all, so that was something very surprising to me. And all the mattes are beautiful, blend well, and you could create so many looks out of it. You can create one and done kind of looks, and of course sunset, sunrise, summer sky, all the shades, all the colors that you see during the dawn time and dusk time, you can totally mimic it if that is something that you want to do. Because I am someone who just loves to create nature inspired looks, so I find colors there and try to mimic it with all the palettes. So for me it's always color specific, and whatever color I want to add to my collection, I just go for that one. So of course color, and they have to blend with each other nicely. So those are my top favorites of the month, and I've got couple of products at the end of the month days, so those are the products that I am still working on and I'm still testing them out. Of course couple of products are already in my hit list, but let me try them for 2-3 weeks and then we'll see they get added to the next month's favorites or not. So hopefully you like the video, and of course let me know what you got from this bunch, or you're planning to get something from this bunch. And recently, just now, I saw that Sephora sale, the 50% off sale is going on. The summer, I think there are quite a lot of nice deal, so I picked up couple of things from that as well. So upcoming video is going to be about all that, plus the dazzling thing that I'm wearing on my lid. I know many of you already have tried it, and maybe it is not new to you, but it's new to me and I'm super excited about it because it is looking very pretty to me. So on that note friends, see you, and of course enjoy your rest of the day. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and please ring the notification bell, because that way you get notified every time I post a video. And you watching my videos, that means a lot to me. See you. Have a fun day.